We at Krishnagar Public School, we are delighted that today we organized Invest Teacher Ceremony, and at the same time we also had our felicitation ceremony for all the excellent performers in CBSE 10th and 12th examinations over the years. So this program was organized at Ravindra Bhavan in Krishnagar. We are so happy that we could meet all our ex-students. They are here. They are all brilliant students. They are, they are all students in great colleges now all across the nation. But they are here today to receive this appreciation. It's a great pleasure to meet them after so many days. And we also had our Invest Teacher ceremony at the same time. So like we know that our life is continuously all about change and transformation. So in order to embrace change, we have to move forward and engage with the present and the future. At the same time, we have to carry our past with us. So today at Krishnagar Public School, we embrace our future by investing our important roles and responsibilities to our present prefectorial board. At the same time, we also are taking our past forward, and that is why we have chosen this same occasion to felicitate all our star performers in the CBSE board examinations from the very beginning. So we are so glad that the students and the ex-students, alumni, they could come from different parts of the nation, in fact, but for those who did not come, their parents had joined. We are so proud that even our present prefectorial board, they were here, their parents were there. We had Madam Shilpi Paul, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Krishnanagar Police District, as our chief guest, and she was there presenting the badges to our newly appointed prefectorial board. It was really such a fascinating day. We are so excited to have our future and our past today at the same time at present. At Krishnagar Public School, we believe that change is always going to happen coming forward, but what is important that we adapt to change. So what is it that we need to adapt to change? Well, we need leadership, we need innovation, and we need the mindset, the positive attitude to go with the change. So that is what we are celebrating today. We are celebrating all those students whom we think are going to carry forward the legacy of this great school. So that is why we have the Invest Teacher ceremony, where we presented the badges and the sashes and all the important positions to our newly appointed prefectorial board, including our head boy and head girl, deputy head boy and head girl. We invested the responsibilities to our to the captains and the vice captains of the different houses. We even introduced two new positions this year, that of the cultural captain and the sports captain, because we believe at Krishnagar Public School that it is, yes, academics is very, very important, but apart from academics, we need to train our students so that they can cope up with all the different challenges they come up in their future. So we want their sports, their cultural aspect and all the other co-curricular aspects to hone at the same time. That is why this Invest Teacher ceremony, and at the same time, because we have to also appreciate those students who actually have brought in the change for our school and for themselves in the past. So we invited all our brilliant students, excellent students, those who excelled in the CBSE board exams in class 10th and 12th over the years. They were here and we felicitated them, and it was a great honor to have all of them come in and share the stage. Absolutely. We see a huge potential in our students. What is important, is that we should introduce this kind of programs so as to inculcate leadership skills and important skills in the students right from the childhood, because when the students, young children, when they get exposure to greater challenges, they will come up good. So what we believe at Krishnanagar Public School, that it is very important to make our children face these kind of challenges and come up with these responsibilities, because often even in school, often we organize programs where the children take the onus, they come up with the ideas, they come up with the entire planning, and they help us, rather they guide us, they give us the vision as to how to organize them. And that is why we are celebrating their leadership skills. We have students from class 9 onwards, so class 9, 10, 11 and 12 in the prefectorial board, and many of them we have seen glimpses of great leadership skills and great potential in them, and I'm sure that in times to come they will eventually go out in the world and they will lead India in different fields. They will be the leaders, they will be achievers, and they will carry forward with the name of our school and the country with a lot of glory. Of course, in today's world, communication is one of the core skills of the 21st century. So at Krishnanagar Public School, we give a lot of impetus in building effective communication skills. So we train students so that they can come up and face the world, so that they never feel shy, they never feel reluctant, they never feel lack of confidence to come up on the stage or to speak, to address the public. It is very, very important that they present themselves with as much confidence and as much charisma as they actually have, because a lot of it in the present times is about presentation. So at Krishnanagar Public School, we always encourage students through various debates, declamation and group discussion sessions, so that they know how to address in public, and they are always, we have seen how confident our kids are. We are so proud of them.